Hey, Freddy Servant here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to discuss some coverages that every farmer's market vendor should at least be aware of to protect their business. And then I'm going to give you my recommendation on where you could go to get the right insurance. But before I get into it, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a quick thumbs up, as it really helps to push these types of videos out to other business owners like yourself. So there are a lot of unique exposures for farmers market vendors. There's a lot of traffic, a lot of activity. Accidents can and do happen, and you'll definitely be glad that you have the right insurance in place if a claim is made against your business. First and foremost is going to be general liability. So this is going to cover your common slip, trip, and fall hazards. Let's say a customer accidentally trips on your tent pole and falls and becomes injured. This is going to help cover third-party bodily injury and would help defend you if a claim is made against you. Next, you want to consider a business owner's policy, also known as a BOP. So what this is going to do, this is going to combine your general liability with your business's commercial property. So you could get coverage for inventory or equipment or spoilage, and you could even get coverage for a building that you own. So let's say that you have inventory inside of a building that you own and a pipe burst and it ruins your inventory. You could get coverage for replacement costs and repairs, things of that nature. Next, you want to consider commercial auto. So if you're transporting produce or equipment, you definitely want to make sure you have commercial auto, especially if you have a vehicle that's registered in your business name. It's going to be a must. Next, you want to consider products liability, and some of your event organizers may require this from you if you're manufacturing a food product in your own brand name, something like that, manufacturing or selling a product that's in your brand name. You definitely want to make sure that you have products liability. It could be included inside of your general liability, so make sure that you ask your agent or broker if it's covered or not, or you may have to consider purchasing a standalone policy if it's an insurance requirement for your events. Now, last but definitely not least, you want to consider workers' comp. So if you have employees that are working your farmers market events, you're definitely going to need workers' comp. It's required in almost every state. It's going to help your employees with rehabilitation costs, medical costs that's associated with a workplace injury. So now that you know some of the coverages that are going to help protect your farmers market vendor business, I want to give you a recommendation on where you could go to get the right business insurance. And the next steps to coverage is as simple as a few clicks below, or feel free to give our agency a direct call. We would love to work with you and build a specific plan for your business. 858-277-1585 is our direct number. We would love to speak with you. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.